Rhonda, my dear, I know your skin is bumpy, but my skin is flawless, and you look really lumpy.
Oh. Nobody else took it there. Like, no.
Jade. Today we're taking a look at a challenge from America's Next Top Model where the girls are on Wild and Out for some reason. And Jade makes a personal attack on two girls during the challenge. So let's take a look, shall we? Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace.
What's up, guys? How you doing?
What's up?
Not bad.
My name is Nick Cannon, and these are
Hi,
my
Nick
friends
Cannon.
and cast of Wild 'N Out. Leonard Robinson.
Got muscles.
Not really. And Rob Hoffman.
You can't have this.
What is that? Chicken?
Wild
Is that a piece of chicken?
It's just an improv show where you have to basically just be funny on the spur of the moment.
Now, we know you guys did your thing with the groundlings, but now it's time for your Wild 'N Out challenge. We're gonna play a few games from the show. We're looking for the
This
MVP,
whole show
the
is a
funniest
game,
person, and the funniest
be fair.
person actually will land a role on the hit UPN show Veronica Mars.
Okay. Okay, so I think that's kind of cool. If you haven't fainted yet, girls, now is your chance. Okay, now is. I would just faint. I would be like, I learned this from my role model. Her name is Tyra Banks. Perhaps you know her. Just faint. And then how could they disagree with that? Tyra taught you. I mean, there's really, it's a win-win situation.
This is definitely something that's more my element. Here's something I can win.
First game we're gonna play is called Got Props. I give you a random prop, and you have to make something funny out of it without it being the actual object that it is.
Okay, easy.
I'm a model, and after I eat,
I'm Suzanne Summers, and I'm here to give you the Thigh Master.
What is?
my new
Okay.
earrings, these are my new hoops. What are you saying?
She's funny.
The
Like
model's
that.
personality is so much different than what the judges are saying. Like, she's hella funny.
I'm Cindy Crawford. Should I get this mole removed?
Oh my God.
All right, guys. Now the next game is called Questions.
The questions game, you would ask a question and then the person would ask a question back.
A TV and a remote.
Why do you change me all the time?
That's
Why is
good.
your antenna all crooked?
Job interview.
That's not bad.
I'm sorry you don't have the right qualifications.
You gotta ask questions.
Oh, see, this is confusing. Now,
The game is called Questions.
The game is questions.
Sucks at all the stuff that we do.
Jade is like,
Start it
was
all
that
off
not a
with
question?
What, where, when, and why. If you start with one of those,
Ask a question,
it's
Jade.
gonna be good.
Why am I here?
I'm gonna give you one where you can figure it out. A rich man.
Where's
and a poor.
Tyra? Where's Tyra?
It's bigger than yours.
Jade! Jade!
You know, even though it was fun,
She's like, I can't do it.
That wasn't humor to me. I just like, what?
It wasn't humor. It was supposed to be a question, Jade. Like, you just asked a question. She said what? That was a question. She should have said that. She should have been like, why is Tyra so amazing? Why is Tyra the best supermodel in the entire world? Where is Tyra? What is Tyra currently eating? What is Tyra's favorite color? There's just so many questions she could have asked. And she could have won the entire show. Like this, she could have made it to the top.
What?
Now it's time for the wild
Little
style
late,
battle.
Jade,
This
for the
is a hip-hop
questions.
battle, but we rhyming with punchlines and jokes.
roses are red, violets are blue. I'ma win the title, and you look like Boo Boo.
Oh, I actually kind of like that. Okay. That was good, Danielle.
You are a model. I knew that. Well, you can at least learn how to talk.
What? Okay.
Good. You might not fall. But your head's as shiny as a big rubber ball.
Molly.
My name is Joni. You know what I mean. It's me and this white dude on this here black team. I got a volleyball diva, a hot Latina, and two African queens.
The rap game.
She should- that was good.
And everything's funny.
Okay,
haha.
Joni.
And then Jade gets up there to rap.
My name is Jade, the ace of spades. Rhonda, my dear, I know your skin is bumpy, but my skin is flawless, and you look really lumpy.
Nobody else took it there. Like, no.
Jade. Nick Cannon's face. Okay, why would... That was messed up. Even Nick Cannon looks shocked, and he's probably heard everything on this show. Like, make fun of me for other things, not my acne or my skin texture. What the heck? Jade, that's messed up. That got way too personal. And also, why are they even doing a rap? This is supposed to be a modeling show. We're on America's Next Top Model. And they have the girls doing stuff like this. Jade starts her rap by first talking about herself. I'm the ace of spades. Faranda, your skin is bumpy. You need to wash your... Do you ever wash your face? Do you at all? I just thought I would point that out to you in this rap song. Okay, and I am done now. But I don't find the humor in any of this. But I'm going to mention your bumpy skin. That's lumpy. You might want to use a cleanser. Do you ever wash your face? Do you even drink water?
And you look really lumpy.
Oh!
Nobody else took it there. Like, nobody was like, yo, Jade, you look like an 85-year-old woman.
Yo, you're blind, you're too tall for this industry. You know what? I'm in this real and you're not, because let me tell you, they're gonna not blow up your body.
A lot of the girls have been doing better than she.
Jade.
You know, so I don't know what I mean. That was a blow to her ego.
I feel like Jade tries to make you feel low so she can bring herself up.
You got some gangsters and some comedy supposed to come in here somewhere.
I think I need to puke in a bottle if I hear one more thing about Jade, the undiscovered supermodel.
Jade, yours didn't rhyme either. Jade, I don't think hers rhymed. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Jade critiquing Sarah's rap after she basically just insulted two of the girls on their appearance. She's like to one, you're too tall. Okay, but she was chosen to be on the show. And then Faranda, she made fun of her skin texture. What made it worse is Jade is like, my skin is flawless and yours is lumpy and bumpy. I think that's what made it worse. Even if it was bad to begin with, I think that's when it's like, we went off the rails at that point. I'm like, okay, there is no saving this at all. There's no like, I ran out of things to say. You're just too amazing, Faranda. I had nothing else to say. All I could see was that one thing. Jade, how is being too tall bad for the modeling competition?
Like, I'm shy. One of my fears is public speaking and announcing. I couldn't think of anything to say, so I didn't have a good time.
Smile, Brooke.
Improv is horrible. That goes with the chick next to you. But which one of you has got anorexia?
I hate to bust on you, because I know it's your world.
Excuse me?
Hey, man, get rid of your S-curl.
I don't like you.
Are we just gonna ignore what this man just said in front of these models? It was a different time back then. This stuff was okay for them to say openly as a joke. Before we continue, today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an all-in-one platform for you to build your business and brand online. Whether you're just starting out, you want to manage a growing brand, Squarespace makes it easy to create a beautiful looking website, engage with your audience, and sell anything that you can think of. Squarespace has so many amazing features. You can create your own online store, whether you want to sell physical or digital products. Squarespace has the tools you need to start selling online. You can also handle appointments using Squarespace. You can offer online, in-person private sessions, workshops, or even group classes. Squarespace provides everything you need to manage your schedule, accept secure payments, send automatic reminders, and beautifully showcase your services and more. How you display your work is really important, and Squarespace makes it easy by having so many customizable features. With a click of a slider, you can change how large or small your photos are. You can add space in between each picture. I love how they have so many different options for you to display your work the way you want it to be seen. You can start a free trial by going to squarespace.com, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Jessica. Use my offer code Jessica for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. All the information will be in the description.
I don't like you.
All right, you guys did a phenomenal job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job. All right, ladies, the purpose of this challenge was, to see who was the most creative. Faranda, very sharp, very quick. Brooke, I didn't know where you was at. Jade, in improv, one of the key things is to listen.
I just needed more direction. I feel like if I had more direction, I would have been okay.
Molly Sue, your personality is huge. So I just wanted to see more. Sarah, you instantly put it on. Leslie, I respect the way you went hard. Joni, you had fun with it. Danielle, I like how you keep it real. Nana, it's the accent and the smile, you just naturally funny.
I was really surprised. Although Nana was dealing with the drama with her boyfriend, she remained focused.
So ultimately, who had the best improv skills?
Maybe Molly?
The most
Molly
creative and the quickest. I would definitely have to say Rhonda.
Yes.
You have landed a role on UPN's hit series, Veronica Mars. But that ain't it. You get a bonus
Money?
prize that you and a friend will enjoy. So go ahead.
Cash?
I'll let you pick a friend before I tell you what the prize is.
I'll volunteer. Look.
Oh, Jade?
Jade and I are not friends. We're
Not after the rap.
Nana.
So you guys just landed your own nationwide PSA.
Yes, public service announcement.
Public service announcement.
Knows what
Okay.
it is.
Good with the acronym.
This is exactly what I
Okay.
want to do.
Anyone would know that acronym. Okay, let's. He's like, oh, good job. You know something.
Public service announcement.
Knows what it is.
Good with the
She
acronym.
knows what it is. He's just like, he's shocked. He's like, oh my God, these models, who would have known that they know anything, right? I love how they were really praising her. They're like, oh, she knows what PSA means. My God, these models. Who knew that they could even speak words or form thoughts of any kind or say one sentence? Public service announcement. Who doesn't know what that? It's just a basic acronym. Sir, you need to calm down. Is this over yet? Is this done? Okay, what is the PSA though? What are they going to do? Who is the PSA for? How is that a prize? It sounds like work. He's like, you're going to be doing more work for free. And that's your prize.
This is exactly what I want to do with my supermodel status and fame. I want people to take notice of things that are going on in the world.
Okay.
Why are you such a bitch, Jade?
I'm embarrassed for her. I really am.
I am too. I'm like, A, you were the only one cussing. B, you're the only one who was like actually attacking people. Like,
Exactly.
you said I don't deserve to be here. Like,
Yeah.
you know, you're the one you're like taking low blows.
She sure as hell doesn't act like she's almost 30.
Jade really shouldn't have said any of that in her rap. I think it went way too personal where it did seem like she's attacking the other girls.
Everybody that meets me for the first time thinks I'm like a bitch. They think I'm arrogant. Everybody that knows me knows I'm not like that. I'm like the realest individual.
If you're a real person and
I'm
a
very
nice
real.
person, why would you do that? At Wild 'N Out, I thought that Jade went way too far.
You keep on going off on this niceness. It's not about that.
You're like, I'm so positive, I'm so this, I'm so that, but that's the facade you got going on, and I don't know what kind of issues you got.
What the hell is a facade?
And that's facade.
Man, my life story, I need to write a book, and maybe one day I will, and you should read it.
I'll read it. I'll read your book. Okay. Jade, we were almost there with the niceness thing. When you said that you're a nice person, and then Ferranda was saying it is about niceness. We were almost there, Jade. We were very close, Jade. Very close. It's hard to think that Jade isn't aware of what she's saying and how she's acting towards the other girls. There's no way one would be confused if they're acting like how she's acting and then getting that reaction. I can't see her acting the way she does and then just being surprised that the girls may not like her. There's no way. You have to know. You have to have some kind of self-awareness. What did you guys think of the Wild 'N Out challenge, the prize, the PSA prize? That was very random. Again, would have just preferred cash, but let me know. Would you have wanted money or would you want to do a PSA for free? Let me know your thoughts in the comments and I'll see you guys in the next video.